Hi there, welcome back to Harry the Boomer and English in a Minute. As you know, there are lots of words and phrases in the English language that can be quite confusing, so from time to time I like to explain the differences. Two words I have for you today are quite difficult: shade and shadow. On the face of it, they look and sound exactly the same, but we use them in a very different way. We like to sit in the shade when the sun is very hot. And the shade is something that's long and stretches. It's the cool side of the road or the shade around the pool. But the shadow is what's made from some physical object, the tree and its shadow. Okay, so you can sit in the shade of the tree, but you don't sit in its shadow. Okay, so some people like to say, I'd like to sit in the shadow, but that's wrong. You sit in the shade, but you make a shadow. So the sun behind you creates your shadow. But when you move, the shadow moves with you. The shade doesn't move. We walk on the shady side of the street. So shade and shadow sound the same. They're both cool places, but they are different. At night, even when the sun isn't shining, we can have the shadows from the lights on the streets, and somebody is lurking in the shadows. We don't say they're lurking in the shade. They are lurking in the shadows. Shade and shadow, quite different. Join me again soon.